could you tell me a little bit about your role at SitaOnAir and the work that you're doing?
Thank you. So I'm leading SitaOnAir. I'm currently the CEO of SitaOnAir. SitaOnAir, we generally connect aircraft and make the most out of that connectivity and IT on board the aircraft.
So can you tell me some real examples of the benefits of connected aircraft then?
Sure. I think first of all, aircraft have been connected for quite a while, and today we see that we really have a nose-to-tail experience on connectivity, and that spans through the overall journey of the flight. Pre-flight, where the captain is receiving information from the ground, at the greetings at the door, where increasingly the crew is going to connect, get information from their CRM system and greet you. Then during the flight experience, where pilots are able to enjoy connected applications, weather updates, links with the dispatch on the ground, and passengers enjoy the full reality of connected experience like on the ground.
What opportunities do you think are still available to tap in this space?
I think there are a wealth of opportunities which are in front of us. Generally, I think commercialization and e-commerce is a big untapped domain that will be unleashed through connectivity. Obviously, there are other benefits of operational nature for the airlines that a connected aircraft, a connected crew can realize.
What are the main challenges to tapping those opportunities?
I think today, I see three big challenges to unleashing those opportunities. One, generally, access to the data is fairly fragmented into the industry, and data is going to be the next gold mine of the industry. Second, I believe that there are business models and competing between partners issues in that everybody wants to exploit that gold mine, and carriers, airline operators need to decide how they want to share that. And finally, there is technology fragmentations with a wealth of different technologies which are putting barrier for a seamless exploitation of those benefits.
So you're working at the cutting edge of this space. What do you see as coming next? What are the developments we're going to see?
I think, I personally see different domains into the aircraft. I think, from a cockpit perspective, with the advance of broadband pipes, there's going to be an increasingly connected experience between the pilot and the ground dispatch environment. Pilots working more and more hand in hands with the ground, supporting new decisions, being able to make more seamless flight experience for the cabin. On the cabin, I believe we're going to lead towards a more tailored experience for the passengers, both from an interaction standpoint, but probably also the cabin environment itself, turning it into an Internet of Things environment. Finally, I think the big debate or the big next battle is going to be around sharing the value that is unleashed by connectivity and how airlines decide to share the monetization of passengers in between their operating partners as well as internet giants who are going to come into the cabin.